Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Passion fruit has a very characteristic taste and smell. Apart from its pleasantly sweet and sour flavor, it's full of nutrients. One of its most popular medicinal properties is as a natural sedative, since it has a relaxing, calming effect that helps fight anxiety and insomnia. In today's video, we're going to explore more of this fruit's health benefits. It improves your eye health. Studies have shown that passion fruit is great for your eyes. It has a large amount of antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and flavonoids that protect our eyes from any damage caused by free radicals, as well as preventing problems such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and nighttime blindness. It improves digestion. The soluble fiber present in this fruit helps our body absorb nutrients better and improves digestion, as well as helping make bowel movements easier. Passion fruit can stimulate digestion through enzymes that increase the amount of gastric juices produced in the stomach. It fights anemia. Something that most people don't know is that passion fruit has high levels of iron as well as vitamin C, which is vital for its absorption. When we eat passion fruit regularly, we have the perfect combination to keep our iron levels and hemoglobin high, avoiding problems such as anemia. It improves circulation. The high levels of iron, when paired with the copper and potassium found in passion fruit, make it a natural vasodilator. These components are essential to produce red blood cells since they dilate your veins and keep your blood oxidized, promoting a better circulatory system activity. It regulates blood pressure. Due to passion fruit's high levels of potassium and low levels of sodium, it's very effective at protecting you from high blood pressure. If you eat some passion fruit every day, you'll be ingesting 1/4 of the potassium you need daily. It helps you to stay in a good mood. As you already know, eating passion fruit can have a light sedative effect by relaxing our nervous system and even helping us to sleep better. However, what many people don't know is that the alkaloids and phytonutrients in this fruit can also improve your mood, and several doctors all over the world even prescribe passion fruit supplements to treat symptoms related to depression and anxiety. It helps keep your colon healthy. The soluble fiber present in passion fruit regulates and facilitates bowel movements, as well as eliminate residue and toxins present in your intestines. It improves our bones' health and density. Passion fruit is rich in minerals such as iron, copper, magnesium, and phosphate, which are essential parts in the creation of additional bone matter. These minerals strengthen the existing bone matter and speed up repair in cases of lost bone mass. Due to this, eating passion fruit can relieve symptoms of osteoporosis and the pain associated with bone deterioration that comes with age. It prevents and helps treat cancer. Passion fruit is rich in flavonoids and phenolic compounds that have been observed fighting tumors in the mouth and lungs. Recent studies performed on cancer patients have also shown that a flavonoid-rich diet can eliminate sick cells. It aids your immune system. Passion fruit has been eaten for centuries, not only because of its flavor, but also because our ancestors believed it helped our immune system. A single passion fruit can contain more than 100% of our recommended dose of vitamin C, which is very important for our immune system. When paired with beta-cryptoxanthin, they act as antioxidants which neutralize the free radicals before they can hurt your body and cause heart diseases, early aging, and even cancer. It relieves asthma. A recent study has revealed that passion fruit peel can bring relief to patients with asthma, noisy breathing, and coughing due to its anti-allergenic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Purple passion fruit has proven to be effective at improving asthma symptoms, being considered by some researchers as a substitute for conventional asthma medication. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.